Look, I'm not here to tell you Gemini 3 is going to replace your job and this is how you can build apps inside the Gemini 3. As everyone knows, the games built inside the Gemini 3 that worthless. It will only give you few seconds of satisfaction that you have built something. While everyone reading the benchmark scores, I spent the last 2 days going through it and building the actual automations. I'm going to show you that how you can use Gemini 3 in your current business and professions to make it more productive. Second, by using Gemini 3, how you can save money and time. And more importantly, if you're someone who wants to make a business in AI, so how you can make money with it. Search for the arstudio.google.com and hit the enter. This is the first URL. Just tap on this. Now I'm here inside the Google AI Studio. Here you found the options, try Gemini 3. Also on the left side, here's the setting and get API key. And if you click on the get API key, you can create your own API key from here and you can automate the things by placing this API key in make.com, Anytime and Zapier. Go back to this. So now we are going to try Gemini 3. Click on try it. And now I'm going to show you the most important use cases and automations, how you can save hours and make money with it. The main thing is that how it handles multiple types of files at once. Images, spreadsheets, videos, docs, all in single prompt. Let me show you what I'm saying and how you can use it. So I'm going to upload multiple files. So this is the spreadsheet and this spreadsheet contains the all extending post. It is using the tokens, 17,000 tokens at once. Let's upload one more file, proposal PDF, which I have created for the AI automation services, getting uploaded. Okay, so let's add few more files. I'm going with one image right now. So this is the image of sunscreen, basically a random image which I have. Why not to add something with my drive as well, the last one. I have the 14 days full plan PDF for AI automations. So I have attached 4 files and let's see. Analyze all attached. Give me important points about all these and any changes required, and also see if they're similar together. Almost 2-3 files are of AI automations only. Now the model started thinking. Okay, so it started giving the results. I think it's almost taken less than a minute. This is a comprehensive set of documents that essentially maps out an entire business model for an AI automation agency. So here's the breakdown. Number 1, analysis of each file. X trending sheet, what is inside it? Market research and product. A list of top performing tweets about Anytime. And what are the key insights? High demand. There is a massive interest in AI agents that replace human roles. SDRs, marketing team supports, and specific use cases, agents. And if I'm going with the PDF which I have uploaded, 14-day full plan, close 1 to 3 clients. So what it is, a step-by-step coaching guide to launching the agency. And what are the key insights? Niche focus, suggest targeting medical clinics, Twilio for phone, and Anytime for backend logics. And if I'm going with the third which I have uploaded, AI workflow automation proposal. As I mentioned, the third one is the proposals PDF. What it is, a draft proposal in Wise. So it's giving me all the details that what these files contains. If I go with the image one, what it is, a product of a sunscreen brand. And as I also mentioned, if they connect together, then tell me that as well. These files represent a full cycle. The CSB provides inventory, sales strategy, closing mechanism, target. Also here the critical analysis and required changes. You are charging $650 for the 5 custom automations. Why it's wrong? This is way too cheap. What? It's telling me it's too cheap. Instead of 5 automations, sell the onboarding system. Charge for $1,500 to $3,000 setup. Okay, I will try this. So this is the cool things. And at last, summary of action steps. Decide your niche, update the proposals, download the workflows, and execute the 14-day plan. So this is how you can add multiple files at once. Even you can add videos into it and use it according to you. So we are done with the first one and let's move to the next one. And this one is completely a game changer. So if you do outreach to get clients, then you know that if you do personalization, then reply rate will increases. As in the starting of the video only, I showed you that how to create a Google Gemini API key. So now I'm going to show you that how to use that API key by building a real email automation. I'm using the platform Anytime. If you don't know about the Anytime, it is the tool which can automate anything. So what's happening here, I have a 400 leads. So first of all, get rows and sheet. And after that, I'm retrieving their company description with the help of their domains, their target profile, and their pain points. And here I'm using Google Gemini chat model to create the very good personalization. First of all, I need to create an API key. Go here and click on get API key and create API key. So let's name it as anything. So YouTube, email, click on this, go for the create project and name your project whatever you want. So YouTube, email, YT, email. Okay, so create project, create key, and here's our key, just copy it. And now go back to Anytime and click on the Google Gemini model. From here, click on create credential and paste this API key here. Let's name it as YT demo. From here, go for the model. So I'm going with the model Gemini 2.5 Pro. execute the workflow. And if I show you the prompts, analyze the company description, give the important short description in 200 words. And if I go with this one, company description analyzer for cold email personalization, and here are some guidelines that make the opener sound like it came from the genuine research. Start with noticed or congrats. If I click on this sheet, here's the email. Notice ESS was named one of America's best executing recruiting firms by Forbes. And now if you add this personalization in email and send this email to ESS, then it will not going to look generic, and after that it will going to add directly into the Google Sheet. So here's the all which I have created. So this is how you can use Gemini for creating a very good email. And if you want an annotate template, I'm dropping the link of my school community. Join it and grab the free resource and start using that. Now let's move to the third most crazy use case. Let's show you directly what I'm going to do. Here in the plus icon, I found the one option YouTube video. You can upload a YouTube URL. So here's my own YouTube URL. Let's go with this nano banana one and paste it here. And you can play around with the start time and end time. Go for 3 minutes 30 seconds for start time and 5 minutes 10 seconds for end time. Okay, it's cool now, and save it and give a basic prompt. Tell me details and idea he's talking about. Hit the enter button. Now what this model is going to do, it will going to transcript the whole video. Okay, so here's the result. Based on the video, AI image creation tool and the core service AI ad creative. Okay, literally I'm talking about the AI ad creative in this video. Here it is also written as the demo. He generates a model like man wearing a Prada shirt eating a McDonald's burger. Isn't it crazy? Like, actually I have done this thing in video. This is crazy. And I have talked about the client acquisition strategy, personal branding packages. You can use this one if you're a content creator and wants to see what your competitors are doing exactly. So Gemini 3 is very good in transcript part. Google Gemini 3 is a document processing beast, and here Gemini 3 absolutely destroys other models. It handles 128,000 tokens, that roughly 100,000 words or 200 plus pages. That means at once you can upload 200 plus pages of documents and analyze it, find conflicting clauses, flag legal risks and cross references. So if I'm going to upload this one and I'm writing this prompt here that find conflicting clauses, flag legal risk and cross reference with our standard terms. Now hit the enter. The model is working now. And here's the output. Following analysis is based on the provided business strategy document and general legal principles relevant to India. As of November 2025, you did not upload a specific standard time document. The number one conflicting clauses, no upfront cost. So what is the conflict here? The integration section acknowledges that WhatsApp API has per conversation cost 1000 messages. If dealer exceed this during a free trial, who pays? So this is how it's analyzing my document and telling me what I have done wrong. And at the end, it will going to give you immediate action terms. Now I'm going to upload one real contract. So here's the contract and the same prompt that find conflicting clauses, flag legal risk and cross-reference with our standard terms. Send it to the model. Started working. And here's the result that this analysis reviews the professional service agreement. So it's kind of agreement between two companies. Let's see directly what is the conflict and imbalance clauses. The clauses are section 4A allows the commission to terminate for convenience with 30 days notice. However, section 4C requires the consultant to give 120 days notice to terminate. So what's the risk here? You are logged in for 4 months while they can cut you loose in 1 month. This creates a resource allocation risk if you're planning staff schedules based on this contract. And here's some critical legal risk, red line recommendations, and at the end here's summary as well. So this is how Gemini 3 will going to help you with the contracts as well. And now here's where it gets wild. Gemini 3 has made vibe coding more beautiful. You describe what you want in plain English and it builds the entire application, entire website, entire landing page for you. So if I go here in the build parts, build a high converting website for home services, the random text, and let's see what is going to build, and click on the build. It's started. Showcase customer testimonials, build trust and credibility by displaying positive reviews and testimonials from satisfied customers. And meta.json is completed, index.html is completed, services has been done. That what will go into the home services. Let's wait for it. So with the help of this build part, you can create a very good high converting landing pages and sell it to the clients. Okay, so it's done. Let's view in the full screen. So the name is Home Hero, his services and how it works. And here's the phone number as well, so you can call it if you want. License and insured, upfront pricings, and here are the services, that is plumbing, electrical, HVAC, painting. Very cool site. Let's go back to this. Now let's see one fun thing which is added in the Google Gemini. Tell me visually how gravity works in space. It's a random prompt and let's see how it's going to work. The model started working. Now the model will going to explain me with the visual, which makes it more interesting to learn anything. So now it's done, I think. And here you can chat with it that welcome to the Gravita. I can explain how gravity shapes the universe. Go for the full screen. So from here you can play and pause it, and here's the reset option, so you can learn the things visually and actually play around with this. You can control all these solar system things. Now you understand the real use cases of Google Gemini 3 and also how you can save hours and make money with this. Now what to do next? Pick one use case from this video and try that. Build it by yourself and make sure that it's actually working. That's how you learn the things, by implementing it. And if you want to learn AI automations, you can check out these resources. So that's all for today.